So Entitle's platform has four core aspects. The first is a self-service approach, which enables the end user to request the permissions they need wherever they are used to working. So if I'm used to going to ServiceNow to request things, I'll go there and I'll request my permissions that I need, whether that's Slack, Teams, Jira, your ticketing system, it doesn't matter. You go to where you were used to going and you go and type in, I need access to, read access to this Git repository or view access to this table in MongoDB. And we'll take that request and process it according to the policy. So this is the second aspect of Entitle, is a flexible policy engine that enables security teams to define who gets access in which case. And so, for example, you could say you are only allowed to request access to customer data if you are in the customer success team and have a ticket assigned to you to that customer. Otherwise, you are of a higher risk profile and you probably shouldn't be requesting that access. Or if you do still need that access, we are willing to request that someone intervenes and make sure that request is viable. So basically a very flexible platform that enables you to define who gets which privileges in which cases. And once we take that request, we process it according to the policy. The third aspect is the actual provisioning. So this is where we go to the end applications and effect the change, provision the permission inside the end system. So this is us going into MongoDB and changing the permissions in the schema, or going into GitLab and changing who has access to the repository, so that next time you go in, you will now automatically have that access available to you in 2-3 seconds. That can be done. And fourth is governance. So we have all this information on who got, what they got, why they got, and now we want to enable security teams and compliance teams to go in and extract the information that they need to either show auditors that the process is being run correctly, or enable security teams with information that would otherwise be very hard to extract on who got which privileges, why were those privileges approved, and so on and so forth.